Join me as I try to find the best hacks for keeping my gut happy while juggling a super busy schedule. Taking care of our gut health is crucial for our overall well-being, but let's be real, it can often take a back seat when life gets busy. But the truth is, a happy gut means more energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. So it's worth making it a priority, even when we're short on time. Maintaining a healthy gut can be tough when we're always on the go. One of the biggest challenges is sticking to a balanced diet. When we're busy, it's easy to rely on convenience foods that are high in processed ingredients and low in nutrients. Another challenge is managing stress. Whether it's work, family, or social commitments, stress can wreak havoc on our gut health. And let's not forget about sleep. Many of us sacrifice sleep to get more done, but this can disrupt our gut's natural rhythms. Plus, when we're busy, we often forget to drink enough water, leading to dehydration and constipation. And finally, finding time for self-care and relaxation can be a luxury we can't afford, leading to chronic stress and anxiety. When we're short on time, meal prep can be a game changer. Try setting aside 30 minutes on the weekend to prep healthy snacks and meals for the week ahead. You can also keep a stash of healthy pantry staples like nuts, seeds, and dried fruits on hand for quick energy boosts. Another hack is to stay hydrated by keeping a refillable water bottle with you at all times. And instead of reaching for coffee or energy drinks when you're feeling sluggish, try sipping on peppermint tea or taking a quick walk outside to get your blood flowing. For example, try incorporating more fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, or kefir into your diet. These foods are packed with probiotics that can help support your gut's natural balance. You can also try practicing deep breathing exercises or meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. And, when you do have downtime, use it to stretch, move your body, or practice yoga to help stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation. I want to share a particularly impactful tip that has made a huge difference for me. It's as simple as making time for a daily gut-friendly breakfast. For me, that means scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, or a smoothie bowl with kefir and berries. It's amazing how starting the day off with a nutrient-dense meal can set me up for success and give me the energy I need to tackle a busy day. And I've noticed that when I prioritize my gut health, I'm more focused, more productive, and more resilient to stress. By incorporating these simple hacks into your daily routine, you can start to see a real difference in your gut health and overall well-being. Remember, it's all about making small changes that add up over time. So, prioritize your gut health, and it will thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any of your own gut health hacks, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on more health-related content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.